Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to delete a Windows 10 user account. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what you're going to need to do is come down to your search bar down here at the bottom, and you just want to go ahead and type settings. And then what's going to happen, it's going to bring up the settings app, so you just want to go ahead and give that a click. And then from here you should get a screen which looks a bit like this. And what you're going to want to do is click onto the accounts button down here. And you'll see what's going to happen is going to load up your main account. So to actually remove another user, you have to make sure you've got administrative purposes. So you can find this out because if you look underneath your name, it should say administrator, which if it does, you'll have the rights to remove the profile. And what you then need to do is come across to the left-hand side. And you just want to come down and locate family and other users. And you can see I've actually added another person to this PC, another user, which is this one down here. So to remove them, all you want to do is give them a click. And what's going to happen, it's going to come up with two options, change account type and remove. All you want to do is go ahead and click remove. And it's just going to come up with a confirmation, just telling you what's going to happen when you remove the account. Just letting you know, obviously it deletes any data related to that account as well, if it's not been backed up or saved. So just make sure to bear that in mind. But then what you need to do is just go ahead and click this delete account and data button. And you'll see that's going to remove that user from the system. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. And if you give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.